Alrighty guys, I'm in the shop. You can see that check engine light is on, 104,000 miles. Now based off, oh, this is a Jeep Wrangler 2017 model. Based off this shifter, guys, this is not a ZF 8HP transmission. So you know what the only other option is? A 5-speed nag transmission. Now, we can proceed with the typical normal way of checking transmissions like we used to. Now, nowadays, the first thing we would do is check code. So I'm gonna hook my scan tool up. But what I want to do, because this has a nag 1 transmission, I'm gonna leave it running. I want to check the fluid level. Yes, guys, you can do that on a nag 1 transmission. It has a dipstick. Okay, so let's get the fluid check. Yes, 3.6 pentastar. Now, nag, yes, there we go, dipstick and a dipstick tube. All right, remember, nag 1, you're gonna get a dipstick tube at least. All right, let's take. Ooh, that is burnt, guys, and it's brown, guys. This transmission take ATF plus 4, guys, so it's supposed to be candy apple red. Look at that. So it is full, but it is burnt. Now, based on the fault code, guys, there might not be much we can do. Remember, guys, a nag 1 transmission is basically a 5-speed transmission. Now, here's my topology, guys. I have nothing in the PCM. Remember, nag has its own TCM, all right, and it's not inside the valve body. It's under the steering wheel. On all transmission or all cars equipped with a nag 1, the TCM would be under the steering column. And you can see there's yellow in this TCM box. Let's click that and see what we got here. So what we're gonna do now is go over here on the DTCs. What do we have? P1731, incorrect gear engagement. 0731 is a slip in. Oh, that's active. A slip in, guys, first gear. So you know what that means? Not much I can do, guys. All right, remember, if this thing was low on fluid, okay, yes, and I had a gear ratio error code, what that means is you need to find the leaks and top off the fluid. Make sure the fluid transmission is full. But that's not the case here, guys. Remember, we got a full transmission pan. Now I'm gonna do some things off camera. Yeah, that shit is burnt. Woo, that's burnt. Ain't much I can do, guys. This transmission is going to need replaced. And you know what I'm willing to bet? This is a nag 1. Get this. This thing's supposed to be serviced every 60,000 miles. Just like the 62 TE. Just like the TE transmission. A nag 1 transmission is supposed to be serviced. It's not peel for life. None of that. So I don't know if customers or consumers are confusing the two. This is not a 8HP transmission. All right. This transmission is supposed to be serviced every 60K. And looking at her history, she has had no service. Okay. She's supposed to be working on her second service right now. In my opinion, it would have lasted longer had you serviced it. All right, that goes for this is a 4-wheel drive. So this vehicle equipped with a transfer case, a front differential, as well as a rear differential. All of those have to be serviced in order to prolong their life. All right, so y'all keep that in mind. If you own any such vehicle, make sure you stay up on your services, guys. I gotta go.